Hey guys, so today I had something totally different planned, but that's going to have to be pushed to next week because I have been so busy and I just know that I had no time to make this week. So I chose a different recipe. We're making a Nutella mug cake, and I love this because it's super simple and super easy. You don't even need an oven to make this. You just throw this in the microwave, and I think it's so awesome because it's just a quick dessert that you could whip up anytime, and I love that. I love quick and easy stuff. It makes my life easier. I also love that it's a personal size dessert, and right now I'm filming in my PJs, and also, by the way, today is Tuesday. So I've got my PJs on, no makeup. I'm very tired. I just got back from tennis practice. So yeah, I'm losing my voice. This is great, okay. Whoop-de-doo. I am doing this all today, so like I'm filming the video today, I am editing the video today, I am making the thumbnail today, and I am uploading it today. If I can pull this off, then I don't even know where I'm going with this, but I'll just be proud of myself. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need will be 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of Nutella, and also the clip got messed up for this, but you'll also need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So all you have to do is just grab a mug and pour in all your ingredients into the mug except for the Nutella. Now just take a spoon and mix that all together until everything is combined. Now just pour your Nutella into the cup. Now just take your mug over to the microwave and put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then your cake will be baked. This part is totally optional and more of a decoration kind of thing. I just spread some Nutella on the top. I also added some powdered sugar to make it look even more beautiful and delicious. This is our finished Nutella mug cake, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and it's made with Nutella, so of course I love it. And it took me like 10 minutes tops to make, not even 10 minutes. It was so easy and simple to make. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!